How to extract from Identity IQ semi-automatically. We all know that we have the one-click extraction, which is just, as the name implies, one click. But in some cases, you may have the HTML code that you want to use to extract from a previous report or a current report, but it's especially when you are moving from another software to ours. So the way to do it is you go to the Dispute Center, and then you go to the credit report. This is very important that you start here where it says 3 Bureau Credit Report, and then go down until the end. Okay, so you're gonna go down until the end. I'm doing it with a shortcut just by clicking with Shift into the scroll bar. So it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be to the very end. Whatever here is okay. And then you are going to copy with Control C, or you can right click and copy. Remember to use Chrome, and then you go back here, click paste credit report, you paste, you enter here, right click. You can do paste as plain text, even though it's plain text anyway, but you can do that, and then simply click at the top, extract disputes right here. And that's pretty much that. So you have everything extracted, and now you are a happy camper. And thanks a lot. By the way, you can, this is totally unrelated, but you can see this ignore, and that is because this is an inquiry that has the same date, and it has is the same inquiry that for some reason is duplicated in the credit report. So that's it. Enjoy it.